Disclaimer: children should try this DIY only under adult supervision. Wondering what to do with your old CDs or DVDs? Let's transform them into a cool mobile stand. Hello and welcome to TLN. We need 2 discs, Fevicol Craft glue, a ruler and a pencil, a knob or cork, and candles. Mark the center on the printed side of one disc. Light the candle and move the central line of the disc over the flame. Repeat this for 3 to 4 times. Once the disc becomes warm, gently apply pressure around the central line.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around.
After 2 to 3 minutes, the disc will start bending. Be careful as it can get quite hot. Apply pressure until it bends into a right angle. Allow the disc to cool down. Clean the suit with a dry rag. The next step is to attach the second disc as a base. Evenly apply the glue to the base of the folded disc. Avoid regular glue. We choose craft glue as it sets faster and bonds stronger. Check the link in the description to buy the right product. Make sure all the edges are coated well. Match the shape and paste the 2 discs. Apply glue to seal the edges if required. Press the discs using a rag. Next, apply glue to the knob and paste it appropriately on the upper CD. Tap the knob to make sure it's firmly placed. Set aside the stand for 5 to 6 hours to dry. Place a mobile horizontally and vertically to test the stand. We have successfully upcycled old CDs and DVDs. If you would like to buy an upcycled mobile stand, check the InstaMojo link in the description box. Until we meet again in TLN's new video, cheers to sustainable living.